And the Lion's got a Beyond sandwich. I'm not sure what makes it Beyond.
Sausage. Terrified.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pizza, Lion. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. Today is our last full day in New York City and we're going to cram it full of shopping and sightseeing. But first, coffee and a fashion file biscuit in bed. Outfit of the day is a t-shirt from Florence and Fred at Tesco, Gucci belt and Gucci trainers, M&S Palazzo jeans and my Mulberry Miss Gracie. The Lion is in his Princess Leia t-shirt, skinny Levi's, Nike trainers, his Coach bag and some pretty snazzy shades from Prada. We hot-footed it to Grand Central Station to jump the subway to... It's quite a bit cooler today, we've got a lovely breeze. At the moment it's about 18 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. We have stopped off at Hudson Yards. We've got a full day of sightseeing to do. And we're hungry, so we're trying to find somewhere for bagels for breakfast. Yeah. Last full day. If I'm looking a little puffy, it's because I've just said goodbye to Debs and there were hugs and tears and I'm going to start again in a second. So I'm going to say goodbye for now and we'll take you on our sightseeing. A slight change of plan because the other place was all fish and we didn't fancy fish for breakfast today. So we've got to Fresh & Co and I've got a classic sandwich and the Lion's got a Beyond sandwich. I'm not sure what makes it Beyond. Is it good?
Sausage.
Oh, is it sausage? Okay. Lovely, let's get stuck in. Oh, what's get back up? Get back up. Okay, that pleases me greatly. That's very cool. So there's the Fendi, but check this out for a shop front for Louis Vuitton. Isn't it gorgeous? It's very textural. There we go. That's where I want to go. This is amazing. Look at it. So beautiful. So beautifully done. That is beautifully done.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Oh, hello. What have you found for me?
No. Do you know what makes these just a little bit better?
Because it says the New York on it and everything. Or what is it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Do you go with this? What I'm trying on. They do feel wide, yeah. Might have to try those on. I mean, it's a good time. My feet are swelling already. So this is the mini bag. So it's a little crossbody. You can take it off and clutch it. I really want to add one of these because I think it's really cute. Look at these. Aren't they adorable? So these are the size 8, which I think is a 5.5 in the UK. So she's going to get me to 7 because they don't do half sizes. But they fit really nicely, width-wise, on with funny little fat trotters. And a little bit of a matchy moment with the mini bag. But what did you call them? When you said when I put them on, you were like, that's a bit of a what vibe?
Tank girl.
Tank girl. He's on Gracie duty. Tank girl. I've never been so cool.
That's true.
And then we popped into Kate Spade and look at all of these New York inspired pieces. I would have bought every single last one of them if I could. That was successful. Right, so we're back outside. There's the shed. Let's make that bit. There we go. There's the shed. And there's the, what was that called again? Other than the platform of doom, what was it called?
The vessel.
The vessel. Yeah, just astonishing architecture. Really love it. And then obviously you've got the crazy skyscrapers. That one's nice because it's mirrored and it looks like it blends in so beautifully with the sky and the clouds. Really gorgeous. And then we have just been in Hudson Yards. So I think we're going to try and find the start of the High Line now. Talk to me, Goose.
You ready?
Yep.
You've delayed us today already. Massively.
We found the start of the High Line and my excitement levels peaked yet again. Oh, it's a rail yard. Lovely, lovely. From here we had an amazing view of the Hudson. This was the first of my favourite parts of the High Line, the old railway track gone to seed and the train depot.
This feels very Five Nights at Freddy's. Terrified. Yeah.
There was construction everywhere in New York City, and I happened to enjoy large heavy machinery, large vehicles, things like this. So I was pretty transfixed by this enormous, don't know what it is, but I was pretty transfixed by it. I really did appreciate how this had been restored with the old train line, the train tracks rising up through the walkway. And I think the Lion did too. These apartments look like something out of Star Trek. I really, really liked them. But could you imagine everyone staring into your living room?
Why is all of the art stuff terrifying? Look, terrifying.
I am so glad we made the time to do the High Line walk. It was fantastic. I felt like I got to see so many different aspects of New York City all on one walk, and it just gave us a really brilliant perspective of the city. I really, really enjoyed all of the nature, all the planting as well. It was fantastic.
Gate closes at sunset, and that's when all of those things become alive.
So yeah, that was probably the only thing about the High Line that we found a little confusing. All of the truly terrifying artwork. What was going on there? It's all like lots of disembodied heads.
Everything down there is terrible. Absolutely wouldn't want to walk down there at night.
That's why they shut the gate at sunset. It's too scary. And finally we came across a piece of art that wasn't quite so utterly terrifying, which made us both feel quite a bit better. Lots of little food stalls in this under a building. We're in Chelsea Market now. Lots of very, very cool stuff. Like this. Yeah. Good, thank you. You? Thank you. Oh look, little lions. Little lions. Oh wow, yeah. All that walking made us really, really hungry, so we were looking for somewhere to grab a bite to eat. And there were loads of food stalls and little food shops here. Hi.
Hi.
Accidentally picked up sparkling water.
Well, you're fired.
Coke, water, pizza, lion.
Meow.
Meow. Just walked past a light jazz band. Central Park. Central Park, baby. Central Park. We are in you. It's very beautiful. I want to look at the rocks. We saw the rocks from the open bus and they sparkled so beautifully in the sunlight. Can you see the sparkle? Just, I think, yeah. Mind blowing. I love it. This is a very pleasing quote to say out loud. Central Park is huge. It is vast, it is lovely and peaceful. There's all sorts of little things going on, musicians and things like that. There's lots of things to see and do, and then every once in a while you look up, you see some skyscrapers and you remember you're in the middle of the city. Our besties recommended the Central Park Boathouse to us, so we decided to stop in and have some refreshments. And again, just the scale of this place was absolutely enormous. It was very beautiful. The refreshments were refreshing, and we made some new friends. Got some little friends down here. Wow. Cheers, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. Here's to good times. The lion's enjoying watching the doggos have a lovely time, and they are having a lovely time in there. Lots of running around, chasing and playing. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. Look at them go! And then we've got this thing behind us. What is it? Pond? And we're in Central Park. Oi. Sorry. Hi. We're in Central Park and we're enjoying it. We are just having a nice little stroll before meeting Meredith for dinner, and just breathing and taking it all in. Lovely. You can't take your eyes off the puppies, can you? Yeah, they really are having a lovely time. Yeah, it's the zoo. Children's zoo? It's full of children. They keep children here. Oh, it's a bear. Squirrel. Hello, friend. I found my big rock, so I was really happy. You can see I was doing a little happy dance there. I can't get over how these sparkle and how smooth they are. They look really jagged, but they're really smooth. Leaving Central Park, we saw this Fred Eversley sculpture, which was really fascinating. Apparently, it was taken down only a few days later after being on show for a year. That's a lot of Garys. A lot of Garys. We still had about half an hour to kill before meeting Meredith, so we popped into the Tag Heuer store because I was obsessed with this watch that Meredith got for her birthday, this pink-faced Carrera, which also came with the pink strap, but the lion and I decided that the pink leather strap made it look probably a little bit childish. But oh my, that pink face is absolutely gorgeous. They also had this pale pink leather alligator strap with the diamond bezel, but what I really wanted to see was this rose gold and steel version with the diamond bezel and the diamonds in place of the numbers. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think it would look lovely with my tennis bracelets as well. I've been on the hunt for a yellow gold and steel watch, but this rose gold is beautiful. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite of these. I didn't vlog dinner because it was our last evening and it was just us and Meredith, and we just wanted to be in the moment. When we left the restaurant, we stopped to look in the windows of the Lego store, and wow, these are some amazing structures that someone has spent a lot of time and effort putting into. Absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed all the little details. Well worth a stop and a peruse. We just had our last dinner. Me, the Lion and Meredith. Our last night. Meredith's here for another night. And walking back to the hotel. Past the Rockefeller Centre. Yeah. We've had such a wonderful time. We're very sad for it to finish. For us to be going home, but wow, what memories we've made here. And friendships forged over the internet, which sounds weird, no matter how you slice it. I'm trying to think of the word. Progressed? That's not the right word. Flourished a little bit. For the last meet-up in London. Cemented in New York, I think. It's been brilliant. So, just walking back to the hotel. And, yeah. And time to get all emotional again. Because it's all over. Vlogger's got a vlog. The final evening approach. It's not the same without you, Debs. The Lion and I were feeling it after saying goodnight to Meredith, so we stayed in the bar for a commiseratory drink and reflecting on the amazing holiday we've had. The next vlog is the last vlog. It'll be a room tour of our hotel room and our flight home, saying goodbye. And then it really will be all over. Stay tuned for the next one.